Hello again, it's Emily. So, the main topic for this week's video is why we chose to make climate change the main theme for Sustainability Week 2015, as well as what aspects I'm most excited about personally seeing happen throughout the week. So the main reason why we chose to make climate change the theme is because it's definitely a broad issue that affects every single individual and entity that walks across this earth. Not one person or group is excluded from the effects that climate change has on our society and should therefore be aware of what's happening and be a part of the solution. Climate change is definitely a broad issue, which is why we chose it, so we can approach multiple disciplines such as politics, economics, human health, science, etc. in order to educate the general Guelph population as well as anybody else who might see what we've released to the public. So there are a few key aspects that I'm excited to see happen throughout the week. One of the main ones is us taking climate change from a bottom-up approach and really communicating the needs of what should happen to the public. I believe that in order to rally for change, you must take public support from the bottom and work together in order to spark the attention of a higher power, such as politicians, in order to make change happen. So, from a Guelph perspective, yes, we might pride ourselves in being a very environmentally friendly school with sustainably conscious students, etc., but the reality is not every single individual that comes to the school really does care about the environment. A very common example that I've heard from Guelph students is, oh, I'm a commerce student, I don't have to care about the environment, which is completely, the stability of their future jobs relies on the stability of the environment, so I really don't understand why these people wouldn't care. I'm mainly excited about turning these skeptics into believers through our politics panel, our food panel, and any other relevant events that they might happen to stumble across throughout Sustainability Week. I also believe that it's important to gather the support of as many people that we can in order to maybe communicate these to more politicians and other companies in order to change their policies and their way of doing things in order to consider the integrity of the environment.